Guys, in this video, I'm gonna make an argument that's gonna make a lot of Indians feel very uncomfortable. And that argument is China blocking India's UNSC permanent seat is the best thing China could have ever done accidentally for India. Because eventually, if India gets this seat, it will be the beginning of the end of India's strategic autonomy that it has practiced since independence in its foreign policy, in strategic issues, and in every geopolitical situation it has been exposed to. अब भाई ये सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल बस एक गुट है 5 कंट्रीज का जो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में जीती थी. अब इसका पहला सेशन हुआ था 1946 में. And these 5 countries basically gave themselves a permanent veto power over every security decision or a security situation that might and will happen on earth. अब ये जो क्लब है, चलो इंस्टीट्यूशन बोल दो, India has been desperately trying to join it. Now, before we answer why China won't let us, it's important to know what exactly is India trying to get into. अब भाई इंडिया ने रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर पे यूएन में वोट करने से एब्सटेन कर दिया. While it was buying Russian oil at discounts, while the West was imposing sanctions, India also simultaneously deepened defense ties with the US while maintaining and increasing trade with China. The reason India was able to do all this without breaking any formal obligation was solely due to the fact that India is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council. India के लिए this has always been one of its greatest geopolitical asset. अब चलो रशिया और चाइना को तो समझ में आता है. But why does US, UK and France always vouch for India? The reason is they want India locked in a Western influence security architecture. Because they want India to vote on their side. They want India to legitimize their interventions that they do in any part of the world. And they want India to give a democratic cover of being the world's largest democracy to a system that's designed solely for catering and protecting Western interests. US की बात करें, so US is vouching for 4 countries: India, Japan, Germany and Brazil. India and Japan are 2 poles of Washington's Indo-Pacific strategy. It wants to use Germany as a counterweight to manage Russia, and it wants to use Brazil as an influencing power in all matters related to Latin America. India should just do what it is best at. Now, India is already leading as the voice of global South summits. India gave African Union a permanent seat at the G20. ये चीज G20 के जितनी भी समिट्स हुई है, कभी अफ्रीका इस लेवल का रिकॉग्निशन नहीं दिया गया है. अब इंडिया की जो पोजीशनिंग है ऑफ बीइंग अ थर्ड पोल, ऑफ बीइंग अ नॉन अलाइंड पार्टनर, ऑफ बीइंग एन अल्टरनेट टू अ वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस फ्रेमवर्क, as well as being an alternate to a Chinese influence framework, is something that the world is closely looking at and is willing to take inspiration from.